Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make avocado juice without milk. This easy method is perfect for a quick and healthy drink. We'll use just a few common ingredients to create a creamy, refreshing beverage that's naturally dairy-free. Get ready to enjoy a delicious and nutritious treat in no time, perfect for any part of your day. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 ripe avocado, about 1 cup of cold water, and 2 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener, like honey or maple syrup. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice. It brightens the flavor beautifully. These few items are all it takes to create a fantastic drink. Now for the blending process. Carefully have your avocado, remove the pit, and scoop the creamy flesh into your blender. Pour in the 1 cup of cold water, add the 2 tablespoons of sweetener, and the 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Secure the lid and blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth and has a lovely, uniform consistency. This usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds. Once blended, pour your freshly made avocado juice into a chilled glass. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a thin slice of lime. This juice is best enjoyed immediately to savor its fresh flavor and creamy texture. Feel free to adjust the amount of sweetener to match your personal taste. Cheers to a delicious and healthy drink.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.